What's up, this is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the display cable from a Dell Latitude 3488. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then remove access door. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew, then remove bracket and disconnect antenna cables. Then remove wireless card. Next unscrew, then disconnect bracket and cable. Now unscrew and lift hinges from motherboard. Then remove display assembly. Now use fingers to separate and remove bezel. Now unscrew and turn over screen. Then disconnect and remove screen. Then unscrew and remove left hinge rail. Now unscrew and remove display cable bracket. Then disconnect and remove display cable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.